Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Nissan Kicks. First, gather all your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and quantity of new engine oil, typically around 4 3/4 quarts. Don't forget a fresh oil filter and a new drain plug washer for a proper seal. Next, safely lift your Nissan Kicks using a jack and secure it with jack stands on a level surface. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan, and position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old engine oil to completely drain out. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter with an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter, then reinstall the drain plug with a new washer, tightening it securely. Finally, add the recommended 4 3/4 quarts of fresh engine oil through the fill cap. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Carefully check for any leaks around the new oil filter and the drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level on the dipstick. Add a small amount of oil if necessary to reach the full mark. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great deals and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.